Namaskar. Welcome to my channel Hindi with Suchi. I am Suchita and today we are going to learn the present tense in Hindi. So in our last class we had learned how to use the command forms of verbs. Now today we are going to use the verbs in the present tense. How to conjugate the verbs in the present tense. Let us start. So I have 4 examples here. I'm going to read them and then we'll go into the conjugations. So, मैं रोज़ हिंदी पढ़ाती हूँ. मैं रोज़ हिंदी पढ़ाती हूँ. And it means मैं, I, रोज़ is the new word which means daily, object, Hindi, and then the verbs at the end. So, we are going to stick to the sentence structure, subject, object, verb. So पढ़ाती हूँ. Now what am I doing? I took the पढ़ाना to teach, that verb, and I added the ti to it. Now I will give you the conjugations, but let's have a look at all the sentences first. Now this sentence means I teach Hindi every day or I teach Hindi daily. रामू हर दिन 5 बजे उठता है. Now this is interesting. When you want time words in Hindi, the time words are placed immediately after the subject, or you can also begin with the time frame in case you are emphasizing on the time. If you are emphasizing on the time, you can begin with the time. Like har din. Like if you want to emphasize every day, you can begin with har din Ramu 5 baje uthta hai. You can say like that. Har din at the beginning just to emphasize on the fact that he wakes up at 5 every day. Who? Ramu. Ramu har din 5 baje uthta hai. Uthta, wakes up. Deepa शाम को सितार बजाती है. We all have our own activities, in our daily life. This is the habitual tense. So you use this structure to talk about your daily habits, your daily routine, your general activities, or your activities which you, have for your weekend, for your holidays, or some special days and special occasions. To talk about them, we use this structure. So Deepa शाम को is in the evening. सितार बजाती है. सितार is an instrument. सितार बजाती है. बजाना is the verb which means to play an instrument, not to play games. Playing games, we have another verb खेलना, but here बजाना is used to play instruments. तो दीपा शाम को सितार बजाती है. दीपा in the evening plays the sitar. So subject, time, object, verb. That is the structure. We will learn that. हम शनिवार को फिल्म देखते हैं. Of course, weekends you have your own activities planned and most of the Indians would like to watch movies on a Saturday. तो हम शनिवार को फिल्म देखते हैं. We watch movie on a Saturday. So these are some example sentences. Now let us go through the structure of the sentence and also have some yes/no questions. Okay. So the structure of the sentence is you begin with the subject, then you have the time words, then you place the object, and then the habitual verb and the auxiliary verbs, both of them are placed at the end. Also, what is the conjugation? To conjugate the verbs, you are going to take the stem verb plus you are going to use either ta or te or ti to the stem verb. For example, karta, karte, karti. Karta, karte, karti. Or we just had padhati. So padhata, padhate, padhati, teach. But if I do not elongate the second letter and use the short vowel, then the verb becomes padhta, padhte, padhti, meaning I learn, I study. Padhna is to study, but padhana is a causative verb, meaning I cause the action in others. So that means to teach or to tutor. Padhna, padhana. लिखना, लिखाना. So मैं लिखती हूँ. I write. मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ. I speak हिंदी. मैं इंग्लिश समझती हूँ. I understand English. Or any other language that you think you just understand, you can use there. Here I have one more example. Now I have two questions. Now you have to try to understand the difference in these two. The first one is, क्या आप काम करते हैं? करते हैं. Now that indicates that I am asking this to a man or a boy, male. करते हैं. I am asking this question to a man. If I were asking the same question to a woman, then it would be, क्या आप काम करती हैं? क्या आप काम करती हैं? You are asking a woman. क्या आप काम करते हैं? You are asking a man. Now the next question. आप क्या काम करते हैं? आप क्या काम करते हैं? Now I have just done, I have just replaced these two words and the questions are slightly different. Now you have to remember is when you begin your question with the word kya, you are asking a yes-no question. Kya aap kaam karte hain? When I ask this question, I don't know whether the man works or he is a student or he doesn't work here or at a place, whatever. I don't know whether the man works or not. Kya aap kaam karte hain? Do you work? Yes-no question. But I have the subject first and then the question word. So here I am using the word kya in the sense what? आप क्या काम करते हैं? What work do you do? आप क्या काम करते हैं? Meaning I know the person works but I don't know what his job is. Then I ask him, आप क्या काम करते हैं? Again, if I am asking the same question to a woman, then the verb would be feminine. आप क्या काम करती हैं? If I am asking the same question to a woman, then the verb is used according to the subject. So if I am asking it to a woman, then the question would be, आप क्या काम करती हैं? What work do you do? Asking a woman. So that's how the verbs are used according to the subject. Now that's one more thing you have to remember, that the verbs are used according to the subject. Okay? And to conjugate the verbs in the habitual tense or the present tense, you are taking the stem verb and then you are adding ta, te, ti to it. Like ta, again the rule is the same, masculine singular, masculine plural and feminine form. A, e forms. Ta, te, ti, dental, soft. Dental, soft. Ta, te, ti. You are adding this to the stem verb and you use them according to the subject. Now let us have some example sentences and also some verbs, and you can try the conjugations yourself. Use the pause button and practice it. Now let's have few more sentences to practice. मैं रोज काम करती हूँ. I work every day. हम हर दिन चावल खाते हैं. We eat rice every day. क्या आप हैदराबाद में रहते हैं? Do you live in Hyderabad? राजू उर्दू सीखता है. Raju learns Urdu. The 4 parts of the day. सुबह को in the morning. दोपहर को in the afternoon. शाम को in the evening. रात को at night. रोज daily. हर दिन meaning every day. कभी is used in a question like ever, like do you ever? क्या आप कभी? कभी कभी sometimes. कभी नहीं never. Now the days of the week. सोमवार को, मंगलवार को, बुधवार को, गुरुवार को, शुक्रवार को, शनिवार को, रविवार को. रविवार, Sunday. And if you want a point of time, then you say 3 बजे, 4 बजे, 9 बजे. In that order, like 3 बजे, 3 o'clock, 4 बजे, 4 o'clock, 9 बजे, at 9. So, I hope you enjoyed the class today, and if you have any suggestions or comments, do post them and I'll be waiting. See you next time. Bye-bye.